This weather report brought to you by Hyundai. 5-star quality from every angle.
Good evening, Livio, Regano with tonight's weather. Well, it's only on rare occasions that a southerly airstream undercuts a thick deck of cloud. And when it does happen, everybody freezes to death. Now, rainfall's been fairly modest on the whole, and by tomorrow morning, most of it will have cleared. Temperatures today, just 20 degrees at Mackay, which is 4 below average. Bowen, Claremont and Collinsville only got to 22, with 21 at Proserpine and the Whitsundays. On the satellite loop now, well, as you can see, cloud is covering almost the entire state of Queensland, and because of the sun that it's blocked out, temperatures have been well below average almost across the state. Certainly the coldest day we've seen so far this year. That cloud is on its way east. By tomorrow morning, most of it should have moved out to sea. Now, on today's chart, we've got a long, sort of a high pressure belt sort of stretched out across southern Australia. That's directing this cool southerly airstream that's undercutting all the cloud. Now, like most cloud bands, or in fact all of them, they're produced by upper level troughs. The rising air, which is occurring broadly over the eastern side of this upper level trough, and that uplift is producing the condensation and rain. On tomorrow's chart, the upper level trough moves off the coast. That will clear most of the cloud with it. There might be a couple of stubborn showers left over, especially around tropical Queensland, and a couple on the Wide Bay Burnett region. And on the outlook chart, the upper level trough disappears altogether. All we got left is the low in the Tasman and the high in the Bight, and they're directing the cool, dry southerly flow. A couple of showers still north of Townsville, though. Looking at the forecasts now, in coastal waters from Bowen to St Lawrence, we've got south-southeasterly winds 10 to 15 knots inshore, 15 to 20 offshore. And then on Wednesday, the same story. A little bit lighter for Thursday. Tomorrow's high tides, Mackay 1:53 in the afternoon, Hay Point 1:50, Shute Harbour 1:52, all very close. The Central Coast and Whitsundays, some light rain will clear early in the day with a southwest to southeasterly breeze following. A fine day for Wednesday. And then the Central Highlands and Coalfields, we've got some light rain again clearing early, fine on Wednesday, but more cloud and rain coming on Thursday. A little warmer tomorrow, 27 degrees for Bowen, Mackay 24 with rain clearing, Claremont 25, Moranbah also 25. The outlook for Mackay, another cloud blanket expected before the end of this week, but not too much rain. This photo was taken just last Friday after the cold snap which affected most of southern Queensland. It's kind of ironic that the frost formed on a pile of firewood, which is itself an icon for winter landscapes. Compliments of Berendina Worth in Monto. And that's the weather for another day. Come back tomorrow and we'll keep the legacy going. Thanks, Rob.